Hello and welcome to the Digital Validity channel. My name is Eric, and today I'm going to show you a little script that was developed by Digital Validity CEO William Steenstra. In a minute I'm going to hand it off to Bill, and he's going to show you how his script works and what it does.
Did you ever try to get to the USB, a thumb drive? It's such a problem in Linux. So I developed this small script, and here it is. It's called JustUSB for just USB. As we run through here, there's a couple commands that we need. Xclip, dialog, and xdotool. This passes the argument over into the command name. It looks for it and asks you if it would be installed, and of course you install it. There's a couple error codes here if it doesn't operate properly. What this does, it runs through all of the USBs that are on your system, puts them into an array, and plops it into the dialog under this array here, W. When it's done, pop it into the Xclip and xdotool, and it sends you over to where you gotta go. So let's try it out. I have a USB disk on the system over here, and I want to go there. I'm in. There we go. And return to where we were. We'll go to try it again. We'll try this. This is an older hard drive that I have plugged into the USB port. Plop right into it. CD. So that's a hard drive that's plugged into the USB, and that also plops right in there real quick. And I hope you like that. It's pretty unique and save some time. Get around the Linux board. See you later.